Hi all, this project is about time series forecasting with Lstm in the stock analysis. This is the platform for exchanging the stocks that represents the state of economy in the stock market.
In this project, we import libraries called pandas, numpy, and etc. And we use EDA algorithm, exploratory data analytics. EDA is an approach to analyzing the data using visualization techniques. It is used to discover trends and patterns or to check the assumptions with the help of statistical and summaries and graphical representations. While performing the EDA of Tesla stock price data, we analyze how price of the stock have moved over the period of time and how the end the quarters affect the price of stock.
In the stock analysis, data collection of LSTM is time based on forecasting usually entails obtaining historical stock price. Data in addition of permit aspects like trade, volume, economic indicators, and maybe sentiment, research from news. In order for forecasting future stock pieces to of return, a historical arranged sequential style. And this LSTM forecasting for stock research is data pretreatment in essential. This brings all characteristics to the same scale of normalization and standardization procedures used in LSTM networks. Here, this LSTM means long short-term memory. This is used in RNN architecture, and here we should take an stocks like the closing, opening stock. Using these two, we conclude the average stocks.
Here, the candlestick is a way of displaying information about an asset price movement. Candlestick charts are one of the most popular components of technical analysis, enabling traders to interrupt price information quickly and form just a few price bars.
And here is about the moving averages. In is a stock indicator commonly used for the technical analysis, used to help the smooth out price data by creating constantly updated the average price.
The RSI trading strategy is used for trending market. You wait for indicator signals over bought condition during uptrend. This trade the RSI develop with signals long entry, which trend remains the place price will typically record of the level and move the new highlights.
In the context of time series forecasting with LSTM in the stock analysis, the existing system typically involves the combination of traditional statistical methods and the machine learning techniques. Before of the deep learning methods such as auto-recursive integrated moving averages, this is the existing system. And the linear recursion were commonly used for the stock prices prediction. These traditional methods rely on statistical model to capture the patterns and the trends in the historical price data and of.
This time series forecasting approaches the stock analysis by integrating advanced techniques and methodologies. Leveraging the power of LSTM networks, the proposed system seeks to an enhanced to accuracy, interpretability, and robust of a stock price prediction, while also addressing the challenges of a data security, model complexity, market volatility. This proposed system addresses the limited interpretability of LSTM models by integrating models explain techniques, by providing insights into factor dividing prediction and key features or attention weights. Users can better and understand the relational behind forecast stock price, facilitating more informed decision making.
In conclusion, when we talk about time series forecasting, it means we are trying to predict the future data values based on past data, like predicting tomorrow's weather based on today's and previous day weather. Now, LSTM is a type of algorithm that's good at understanding patterns in sequence of data, like stock price over time. It's a kind of a smart detective that looks lots of clues from the past to make a guess what about future would happen. So when we use LSTM for stock analysis, we are feeding it historical data and asking it to predict future prices. It's a bit like having a crystal ball that provides by math and data instead of magic.